Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Open page number 60, everyone, of your textbook.
Ma'am, jugs and mugs.
पेज नंबर 60 पे जग्स एंड मग्स है बच्चा. Open
Ma'am,
page
it's
number
junk
60.
seller.
Yeah, it's the first page of your chapter, Junk Sailor. So I will ask from Ane. Ane, what is the name of the woman who has started the Sailor shop? What is the name of the woman who has started the Junk Sailor shop?
Ma'am, can I say?
I've already asked Ane. You raise a virtual hand.
Ma'am, Kiran.
Kiran. Kiran is the name of the woman who has started the Junk Sailor shop. As soon as we are done with the first any question, please lower down your hands and raise the hands for the next question. My next question is, so where she has started their Junk Sailor shop? Which place? Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, in Patna.
In Patna they have started. Okay. Now come on the page number 61. We have done here one concept on page number 61. Raise your virtual hand if you know the concept which we have done on related to the page number 61. I want to give chance to other students also. Yes, Dhyan Patel.
Ma'am,
Yes,
which
Suchi,
page?
please go. Page number 61. Yes, Suchi, please go. We have done one concept based on the पेज नंबर 61 पे टॉपिक हमने डिटेल में पढ़ा है बच्चा.
Yes.
So can you name that topic?
Ask people and find out the cost of.
Mute yourself, please. Now when other child will give the answer, listen it properly. Vedant, yes, please speak.
Ma'am, on page number 61, we learned about loan. How to
Yes.
take a loan, interest.
The concept which was related with the loan and interest, it is related with the page number 61, where we have learned about the Hariya and Babu are taking the loan. So the concept which we have done based on loan related to the page number 61. Turn your page 62. On page number 62 and 63. On page number 62 and 63, we have done one combined topic. Can raise your virtual hand which topic we have covered on page number 62 and 63. Yes, Moksha.
Ma'am, about multiplication and division.
Division तो we have not done, only multiplication we have done till now.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
and
already,
column. Ma'am, column
already
multiplication.
column method of multiplication and one direct method, maths multiplication also we have covered. Yes or no? Are you all clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, students?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now I will move to the next page number 64. On page number 64 and 65, we have done one column method also of multiplication. Yes. Now, related to 64, there is one more method. If you read this page, Smart Kiran sells the junk. See, as you all know, Rajvi Nakhre and one more child has joined now. Please join on time. This is not the class timing, Rajiv Nikhare. 6 minutes late. You are not allowed to join my class late. Next time, take care. So on this page number, Smart Kiran sells the junk. So you all are agreed that when we buy some things and then we resell it also? Yes or no? Junk sellers are taking junk from us and then they resell it to someone for recycling it. You all are agreed that junks are recycled?
Yes, ma'am.
Plastic bottles होते हैं, newspapers होते हैं, they all are recycled. Who will tell me what is the meaning of recycle? Raise your virtual hand.
Ma'am, can I say?
When you are raising your virtual hand, I can able to see that that child has raised. So no need to say, can I say? Yes, Niva.
Ma'am, recycling things means the things that can also be used again.
Reuse. Yes, very good.
Reuse.
Yeah. Kashvi, Aradhya, Jigar Singh, Grant, turn on your camera and sit. Otherwise, you are allowed to leave. Jigar Singh, Vishrut, you have joined now.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, I am not feeling well, that's why. I was taking medicine.
Okay. Take care. So, here also the Kiran, what she is doing, she is taking the junk from the other persons and reselling it. So here, when we resell it, sometime we resell it at the low price and sometime we resell it at the higher price. If we are reselling it at the higher price, the term used is what? Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. For example, if I have purchased this marker at 10 and selling it at 12 rupees, so I am reselling it at the more price. The amount which I am getting, the difference amount which I am getting. Am I audible to you all?
Yes. Yes,
The
ma'am.
difference amount. For example, I have purchased 10 rupees and selling it at 12 rupees. The difference of between 10 and 12 is of 2 rupees. So 2 rupees is what? The term which we use in the mathematical
Principal.
or in the... No, it is related to the interest or... But there is one new topic is coming. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, interest.
No. Interest is the extra amount you are paying. Here you are earning the extra amount, which
Ma'am,
is 2 rupees.
principal.
Ma'am, amount.
No.
Ma'am, amount.
No. No.
Ma'am, principal.
समटाइम आपने पेरेंट्स से सुना होगा ना कि ये चीज मैंने इतने में खरीदी, इतने में बेची, मुझे इतने रुपए का फायदा हुआ. So फायदा is called what in English?
Profit. Principal.
Profit.
Profit.
Manya is correct. Profit. आपने नहीं सुना कभी भी पेरेंट्स के when they are talking and they say that I have purchased this thing at this amount, now I have resell it at this and I am earning the profit of this amount.
Ma'am, my father's bike and he never sell it. So I don't really know.
Okay. So, like for example, if you purchase the house also, the property also, the cycle also, the car also, and sometimes we resell them, right? We sell them to the another person. और उसमें अगर आपको ज्यादा पैसे मिले तो प्रॉफिट, और आपकी परचेज प्राइस से कम पैसे मिले तो लॉस. Then the opposite of profit is
Loss.
loss. कम मिला तो loss, ज्यादा मिला तो profit. Now, if I am giving you an example, then and please, when you make your example, make a note that you use larger numbers. Means you will use 4 to 5 digit number, and you will make your own story problems. First, I will give you one example. Then I will show you one video. Very good, Jigar Singh, what you are trying to show me. I will see it later on. What is Jigar Singh?
Ma'am, I made a story sum.
Based on profit and loss.
No, ma'am, and you said now we have to make.
Yes. Mute yourself. Yes. So suppose I have purchased the car. Okay. the cost of my car is cost price and the purchase price is the same जिस पे आपने खरीदी, right? And the short form of cost price is CP. The cost price of my car is 3,40,000. Now I have used it for 5 years now. When I use it and I resell it, obviously I will get the less price, है ना? ज़्यादा तो नहीं मिलेगा. Sometime आपका luck अच्छा है, so you will earn the higher also. But now I am reselling it to someone. It's called the selling price when I'm selling it to someone. And the short form of...
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait. And the short form of selling price is SP. And I am selling it now at rupees 3 lakh. In that case, there is a situation of a loss or a profit, students?
Ma'am, it is. Ma'am, loss.
Loss.
Now my next question is loss of how much? Please write it in the chat box. Please write it in the chat box that loss of how much amount? The balance amount is the loss or the profit. जब आप माइनस करके निकालोगे जो बैलेंस आएगा 340 minus 3 lakh, whatever the answer is coming, that will be your either the profit or loss. If the cost price is higher than the selling price, means आपने purchase ज्यादा में किया, बेचा कम में, so it is the situation of loss. And when the selling price is higher, suppose you are purchasing at rupees 10 and selling it at rupees 12, so the 2 rupees is your profit. Got it? When selling price is higher than the cost price, in that situation you are earning a profit. Means आप sell ज़्यादा में कर रहे हो, so always remember selling price is higher, then it's a profit. Now I'm going to show you one video and be ready. Each child will give me one story problem based on either on profit, either on loss. Children, I will mute myself.
Profit and loss. Hello kids, today we will learn a new topic called profit and loss. Let me explain it to you through an example of a departmental store. Shall we start? Mr. D'Souza runs a departmental store. He buys goods at lower rates from the wholesalers. Then he sells these goods to customers at reasonably higher rates. Here, the amount paid by Mr. D'Souza to the wholesaler is called the cost price. The short form of cost price is CP. The amount paid by the customer to Mr. D'Souza is called the selling price. The short form of selling price is SP. If Mr. D'Souza sells his goods for a price higher than the cost price, he earns extra amount. It is called profit or a gain. Therefore, profit or gain is equal to selling price minus cost price, or P is equal to SP minus CP. If Mr. D'Souza sells his goods to customers at a rate less than the cost price, he loses money. This is called loss. Therefore, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, or L is equal to CP minus SP. Now, let's solve a few examples to understand it in a better way. Find the profit or the loss if cost price is 46.60 rupees and selling price is 49.85 rupees. Cost price.
Student, this is the example now for you. Anna, mute your mic, bacha. This is the example for you. Find the profit or the loss if the cost price is 46.60 and the selling price is 49.85. Please write it in the chat box. In this situation, there is a profit or a loss. First of all, tell me. Write it.
Profit.
Write it in the chat box, everyone. Please write the full spelling better. Otherwise, you will only learn the short forms. Please write the full spelling I am expecting. Yes, in this case, there is a profit. Now, profit of us. Now, my next question is profit is of how much? That you need to write now. How much profit is in this case?
Ma'am, I can say.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, please check. Now?
Ma'am, now it is
Okay.
Now it is not
Now
it is okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, tell to Rajvir Nikhare to off his mic.
Rajveer, please off your mic, bacha. Okay, so we were discussing this. Please give me the answer. What is the
Ma'am,
profit?
Ma'am, 3.20.
Danya,
Profit is rupees.
Manya, Danya.
Ma'am, it is rupees 3 and 25 paisa.
And always remember 3 when you are writing rupees 3 point, then you don't say 25 paisa, you will say 25. Whenever there is a decimal, we read the number as single numbers. Got it, everyone? When you also please pay attention how they will read the numbers. Please pay attention.
Is equal to 46.60 rupees. Selling price is equal to 49.85 rupees. Here, selling price is greater than the cost price. Thus, it is a profit. Thus, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price.
Students, you know the 3 dots which they are using here? The 3 dots in the triangular form, it is called therefore also and it is called thus also. Therefore, we can say that price equals to selling price minus cost price. When you go in higher grades, you will learn about these 3 dots. This is the short form of therefore. Got it? I'm going to mute myself.
Which is equal to 3.25. Thus, profit is equal to 3.25 rupees. Let's solve one more example. Naina bought a television for 33,298 rupees and sold it for 28,680 rupees. Find the profit or the loss incurred by Naina.
Solve this, students. Naina bought a television for rupees 33,298 and sold it at rupees 28,680. Find the profit or loss incurred by Naina. Is the situation, Rajivi Nikhare, it's a situation of loss or a profit?
Loss.
Loss. Yes. How much is the loss? Please write it in the chat box. Dhyan Patel, please find and write it in the chat box. I am expecting the answers from everyone to write it in the chat box, please. Let me take the attendance. By the time you please write the answers in the chat box. What is the answer? Jigar Singh has written 45 point something.
Ma'am, 45.68.
Please check the answer. How it is 45.68, my dear? It is given 33, not point. It is 33,298. All the amount is in rupees. Nothing is in paisa. Yeah, someone else has given the right answer. I can
Ma'am,
see.
I have written in the chat box.
Mania has given the right answer.
By mistake, I have written the comma.
Comma, you have written after what? Just let me check.
After
Otherwise,
46,
yeah.
it was a mistake.
Remove this comma. Your answer is right.
Okay, ma'am.
So now again, I will play this video.
Firstly, let's write this.
I want to explain you that when you are doing the story problems based on profit and loss, please write the statement also, because your today's work is based on that only. First, let me complete this, then I will explain you about your today's work.
Statements. Amount paid by Naina to buy the television is 33,298 rupees. Amount at which Naina sold the television is 28,680 rupees. We have to find the profit or the loss incurred by Naina. Here, the cost price is 33,298 rupees and the selling price is 28,680 rupees. As the cost price is greater than the selling price, it is a loss. Thus, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, which is equal to 4,618. Thus, Naina incurred a loss of 4,618 rupees. Further, let's see.
So these are the few examples which we have understood based on the concept profit and loss. Now, as I already told you, you need to give me one example each child based on any of the situation, either on the profit, either on the loss. Please start writing in the chat box and raise your virtual hand also, so that I give you a chance to speak in the class. Yes, Moksh, please start.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there was a shopkeeper. He bought a television for 7,990 and sold
okay.
it in 8,250 50.
Let me write the amount so that I can give you the exact answer.
Yes, ma'am.
You told he had
He
cost.
bought a TV for 7,990.
Yeah, children, the terms bought, the term purchase is the same thing, that is the cost price. Bought price means खरीदने वाली price. Purchase price is also the purchasing price. That is called the cost price. So the cost price of that item is
7,990 rupees. And he sold it in 8,250 rupees.
So in this is the situation of profit or a loss,
Ma'am, this is a situation of profit.
because selling price is greater than the cost price. So when the selling price is greater than the cost price, is situation of a profit. So 8,250 we write first, 7,990 we write, and subtract it. What is the answer coming?
Ma'am, 260.
Let me subtract and give you the answer. 8,250 minus 7,990. 200?
60.
Yes. And when you are writing these problem based on the story problem, just now you made the story, right? So please write the statements also. When it is coming simply to solve the cost price and the loss, then you simply solve it. But when it is coming based on the story problems, the real life situation problems, please give the statements also. Yes, next child. Who is ready?
Ma'am, Manya?
Yes, Manya.
Yes.
My dear other
I
students also, Vishrut, Ane, Niva, Jigar Singh, I'm expecting from you also.
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
a question.
Manya.
Yes, ma'am. I bought a refrigerator for rupees 3,47,872 and
Three lakh
I sold it
48,000.
47, ma'am, 47.
3,47,000. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vedant.
872.
Wait, Manya. Yes, Vedant.
ma'am, where there is a loss, we have to subtract only or plus.
When there is a loss, then also you need to subtract. But in the case of loss, your cost price is greater than the selling price.
Okay, ma'am.
Again, Manya, can you please repeat?
Yes, ma'am. I bought a refrigerator for rupees 3,47,872 and I sold
872.
and I sold it for rupees 2,23,527.
Okay.
My answer is 1,24,345.
Right. Is this a profit or a loss?
And this is a loss.
Good. Next child. Vishrut, please make one story problem. And I'm expecting from others also to please write in the chat box. I will read all the story problems. Please write in the chat box.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vishrut, please try.
Ma'am, I have not an.
Vishrut, you can take anything, no? Your house, your property, your father has taken something and then they have sold it to someone. If they are selling at lower price, means loss. If they are selling at more price, then profit.
Ma'am, I have taken a house of 3,000.
Hmm.
Sorry, 3,25,500, and I want to send in 5,000.
5 lakh. Because your one sum is already in lakh.
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
5,20,300.
5,20,300. Now I will plus.
Just a minute.
Ma'am.
Yeah. 5,20,300. So this is the case of a profit or loss, Vishrut?
Ma'am, it is of profit.
How much amount of profit you are earning?
Ma'am, can you tell the sum?
You have told me some 5,23,000, 20,300, or some amount of you have given in 3 lakh something. So when your selling price is higher and the cost price is lower, in this case is the situation of profit. अब प्रॉफिट कितना होगा? तो सेलिंग प्राइस में से कॉस्ट प्राइस को माइनस करोगे तो प्रॉफिट आ जाएगा. Got it, Vishrut? Right
Yes,
now I don't have the exact number, so you can do any with the any numbers and find out. Yes, Bhavya Sagar. Please explain me.
Then may I?
Bhavya Sagar first.
Ma'am, then take.
Ma'am, I buy a car for rupees 5,568.
5,568.
And
My dear, expectation जो numbers की है वो तो high होनी चाहिए. कार कभी 1000 में नहीं आएगी. You can take the example of bicycle.
yes,
Car will come in the lakhs, and when you go to the house purchasing, that will go in the lakhs and crores.
yes.
So you can use a cycle here.
I buy a cycle for 5,568 and I sold it.
You also write the digits because you need to tell me how much profit and how much loss you have earned.
Yes.
लिखते जाओ बुक में. The next chance I will give to Jigar Singh and then I will move to Tej Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. You Bhavya, you please be ready by the time I'll ask from Jigar Singh. Yes, Jigar Singh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I bought a headphone of 2,500 and I sold it of 1,500. No. 3,500. Yes. Then
It's a profit situation or a loss situation?
profit, ma'am.
How much is the profit?
Ma'am, 1,500.
No.
1,000, sorry.
Yeah. And don't ask from anyone. You give
No.
your...
No.
Okay. Very good. Very nice example.
Thank you,
It
ma'am.
can be with the any item, students. It can be any item. अपने मार्केट में देखे हैं ना कितनी भी चीजें सेल होती हैं, परचेज होते हैं. So the way Jigar Singh has used that the headphones, it's a practical example. Very good. Yes, Dania.
I think.
Wait.
Ma'am.
First Tej Kumar, then Dania. Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, I purchased a car of 5,85,000 and I selling CP is 6 lakh.
This is the CP. This is the CP 5 lakh. Now SP selling price.
Selling price is 6 lakh 93,000.
93,000.
Yes, ma'am. Profit is 8,92,000.
कैसे बच्चा, कैसे प्रॉफिट निकाला आपने?
Ma'am, my CP is 5,85,000.
So when you
CP is 6,93,000.
see, I will write your CP and SP here and explain you. Let me take the attendance once more. Your CP and SP is confusing you to subtract and find. Tej Kumar, please subtract it and find it again. Tej Kumar, please subtract it again and find it. Dania, give me one example.
Yes, ma'am. I bought a game of 3,000.
Ma'am,
Tej Kumar, not in between. Let her complete. Yes, Dania.
I bought a game of 3,000 and I sold it in 2,500.
Situation of profit and loss.
Ma'am, loss.
How much loss?
Ma'am, 500.
Very good. So children, your today's home task is you need to make 2-story problems with their solution based on profit situation. 2-story again, total 4 sums you are going to do today. 2-story problems with solution based on profit situation. 2-story problems based on loss situation with their answers, right? With their solutions.
Two of we have to make our own.
Total 4, 2 for profit situation and 2 for loss situation. I am going to post this in the classroom with the details. Please do it in your notebook and attach your notebook work. Thank you. Yeah, on your own story problems.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Rajkumar.
It's 4. So we have to plus.
No, bacha. When the selling price is more, you need to minus.
Ma'am, so
I will send this video also. I will send this video also in the classroom.
ma'am, so I have to first take CP1, 6 lakh.
Yeah.
Okay.